Hello everyone, welcome to part 65 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I'm Walt here, and here we are with our 65th part, which is to keep all your promises. I find this to be a pretty interesting part of this series because this one he talks about how we should set big internal goals for ourselves. And as you know from my goal setting video, if you've seen that, or rather I'll sum it up now if you haven't, that really, a lot of us think we need to, basically we have trouble setting goals, okay? Because if you set a goal that's too small, it's not inspiring enough to actually do anything. If you set a goal that's too big, often we feel like we make no progress on it, so what's the point? And so really, I explained in that video, the key is to set small goals on your road to a big life goal or a big yearly goal or a big monthly goal, whatever it is. Set small goals that kind of get you on the road to get there. So you always feel like you're accomplishing something every day, but at the same time, you have a big goal to really inspire you. So he gets to the idea here that basically he used to go around and promise somebody something really unreasonable and try to use that as a way to motivate himself. But then he ran into the problem, of course, that basically you can't always keep promises of outrageous things to other people. So he said that wasn't really intelligence. That wasn't really an intelligent decision. Instead, it's better to make commitments you can keep to other people so you can build up being trustworthy, not the guy who just promises like outrageous stuff and can't deliver on it. Still, this doesn't mean you can't talk to other people about your goals, particularly people in your mastermind alliance or people you're really close to. They can often help you if they have positive mental attitudes. If they're going to be all nosy and picky and judgmental and full of perfectionism, then maybe you can find some better people to talk to your talk about your goals with. Anyway, so the point being, at the end of this one here, we have the idea of, okay, let's keep our promises, but really let's set our own goals instead of just promising stuff to people. Let's set goals that we really want. They can be outrageous, okay? And this is a lot of fun. It can be really useful, but I say don't go too far with this, okay? Set some small goals along the way. Set up things to do every day towards your goals, okay? Because you can have outrageous goals. There's no problem with that. Just make sure you always feel like you're accomplishing something. But yeah, that's about it for part 65. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with part 66. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.